To edit the activity, there are a number of steps you need to follow. First of all, the activity itself should implement onStreetViewPanoramaReady callback. Once you've done this, in your onCreate method, you have to create a Street View Panorama fragment object and hook it up to the one that you put in your layout.xml file. Once you have this object, call this method, get Street View Panorama Async this on it. Next, you have to create an override, and it's the override for onStreetViewPanoramaReady. And this is because you've implemented the onStreetViewPanoramaReady callback. The onStreetViewPanoramaReady override takes a single parameter, and this is the Street View Panorama, and you just give that an object. For example, you could just call it Panorama. Then on this object, you call .setPosition for the location. If you want to set it to the Grand Canyon as I have done, this is the latitude and longitude of the Grand Canyon. You then create a Street View Panorama camera, which is very similar to creating a Maps camera as you've done in previous modules. Once you've done that, on the panorama you call .animate to the camera that you've just corrected, and then a time in milliseconds. And the camera will animate to that latitude and longitude as you set up for the location, and you'll then see the street view for that. And this is all that we did to build the Grand Canyon application, just using this latitude and longitude. See if you can go ahead and implement this now for yourself.